back to my channel for another DIY project. Today I am going to try and make 3D pop art using the canvas behind me and some vines, as well as some flowers that I have laying around from other DIY projects. The canvas behind me was all white. I did spray paint it just to play with spray paint. I've been trying to learn some new things and techniques, and since I'm gonna cover it up anyway, I figured it didn't matter much. So it is metallic gold from spray paint that I bought from Home Depot, and I have these vines here that I got off Amazon. I can't remember how much I paid for them because I've had them for quite a while and haven't been able to use them, but I am going to try to use them today in the 3D pop art. And the canvas, I expect, will be similar to many of the photo frames that I've done in previous videos, so you guys can go watch some of those if that's more of what you're interested in. But today I figured I'd try something different. So with this 3D pop art, I'm pretty sure people are like, well, what are you going to use something that big for? What are you going... You know what I'm trying to say. What am I going to use this big ass thing for? I have no clue. Honestly, I really don't know. I saw it was at Ross of all stores, okay, for 20 bucks, and I felt like that was such a good deal. And it's 40 by 60. It's huge. So I kind of couldn't just pass it up. So here I am at home now, and I'm gonna try to put together something, and I thought I'd take you guys with me so we can see what craziness is Kamara gonna get into today. All right, so this is gonna be a very long video. I am gonna try to let you see as many details as possible of how I arrange my flowers and stuff like that. If you wanna go ahead and just skip down to the end and see the end finished product, of course you're more than welcome to. Just make sure you like this video and subscribe below, all right? So the things that we're gonna need for today's DIY are the same things for everyone. Scissors, the wire cutter, your flowers, hot glue, and super glue, because I do have the vines today. And it's very thin, so I kind of don't want to burn my fingerprints off, so I probably am going to use the super glue a lot today, okay? I'm currently waiting for the backdrop to finish. It is about 6 p.m. right now, actually, too, so I don't know if I'm actually going to finish this tonight, but we'll see. All right, guys, wish me luck.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in.
everyone, so it is gonna take me 2 days to do the board, but mainly just because I started so late on the first day. So today is the second day, and it's actually probably only taking me an additional 30 minutes. 30 minutes that I just didn't have in me yesterday or whatever, because I was so tired and I just really wanted to clean up the space and start again today. So here is the, well, it's not the finished product. I am still gonna spray paint it again, but I am gonna let you guys take a look at it before I do that, all right? Okay. This is the almost finished product here. Again, this is a 40 by 60. This is a huge backdrop, and I have decided to leave the bottom empty and gold. I do have enough flowers to actually fill that up, but I'm gonna leave it gold just because I kind of like the aesthetic of it. But I'm gonna fill in those spots with some spray paint, and then it will be completely finished.